Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to achieve a Band 9 in IELTS listening. First of all, a Band 9 in IELTS listening means you need to score 39 or 40 out of 40. It is quite challenging, but it's very possible if you use the right strategy. If you practice consistently and if you pay attention to all the details. Let's get started. Step number 1. Understand the test format. There are 4 sections in total. You have 40 questions to answer. Each section gets a little bit more difficult than the previous one, and you will hear different accents: British, Australian, New Zealand, American, and Canadian. Step No. 2. Set a clear target. Your target is very clear. You need to get 39 or 40 answers correct out of 40. So this means you can miss a maximum of 1 to 2 answers if you want to achieve a Band 9 score. Step No. 3. Daily listening practice. Listen to authentic materials every day. What does authentic mean? It means official. It means real. These are the best materials for you to practice your listening skills. IELTS Cambridge books from 9 to 18, they're all official. Also, you can listen to podcasts like BBC, TED Talks, NPR, and also watch documentaries and academic lectures. Step 4. Master listening skills. This is a very important step. You need to practice 3 key skills. No. 1. Predicting answers. This means that when you read the question, you try to predict what the answer could be. No. 2. Following instructions. For example, in fill-in-the-blank questions, you need to pay attention to the word limit. They usually have 1-word answers, but sometimes 2 or 3 words. So you need to pay attention. Number 3. Identifying synonyms and paraphrasing. In IELTS, they often use paraphrasing. That means they use different words, but the meaning is the same. You need to be able to identify those synonyms and paraphrases. Also, you should learn to identify what are These are the words which are used to distract you, to confuse you. You need to be aware of them. Step No. 5. Improve spelling and grammar. Because in IELTS listening, if you spell a word incorrectly, even if it's just 1 spelling mistake, that's 1 spelling mistake too many. You need to make sure that you spell all the words correctly. Learn the correct spelling of commonly used words in IELTS. For example, accommodation, colleague, committee. Also, you should learn some British English spellings because in IELTS, you will see some British English spellings. For example, the color in English is spelled C-O-L-O-U-R, not C-O-L-O-R. Step No. 6. Practice with official tests. Use IELTS Cambridge practice tests to practice. These are books from 9 to 18. Don't use unofficial materials. Try to simulate the test conditions. That means do not pause the recording and do it under time pressure. Because in the real test, you won't have time to read each question twice. After each section, you will have 30 seconds to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Make sure you don't miss any questions. When you make a mistake, analyze it and ask yourself, why did I miss this question? Was it because of a vocabulary issue, spelling, speed, or was it a distraction? Step No. 7. Sharpen note-taking. You need to learn how to take quick notes and highlight the keywords in the questions before you listen. Also, you should train your ear to catch paraphrased information. Step No. 8. Expand your vocabulary. Read as much as you can. Learn new words and learn synonyms and paraphrases. Because IELTS heavily uses synonyms and paraphrases. Learn academic vocabulary, workplace vocabulary, and daily life vocabulary. Step No. 9. Use subtitles strategically. When you watch TV shows or movies in English, First watch them with subtitles on, and then rewatch them with subtitles off. If you're listening to an IELTS recording, you can find the transcript online. IELTS Liz has transcripts for all the recordings. Step number 10. Stay calm and focused. One lapse in attention can cost you several answers. Build your stamina by doing full-length listening tests in one go. And here is the bonus tip. Always double-check your spelling and grammar. Use the 10 minutes transfer time wisely. Get used to different accents by listening to different English dialects. Also, you should practice listening and writing at the same time. In the real test, you won't have time to finish all the questions in one section and then move on to the next section. So you need to learn how to do listening and writing at the same time. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Good luck with your preparation and your exam. Bye.